Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist. Nice little gesture sketch of this kitty. Want to capture that look of the cat's face flattened out on the floor. And just get the general shapes in first. We're going 3 times the speed and voicing over. Just want a suggestion of that arm there. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or what you want to learn about cat drawing. I'll do my best to get it on there if it's within my realm. Carefully put those eyes in the right place. And yeah, check out our cat drawing art workshop on Facebook. The link is in the video description below, and we'd love to have you. It's steadily growing. Just easy does it with the lines, just really choosing carefully which lines I need and which can be left out and might be too much information. The lines I want to keep are the ones that really add to the flow, the unity of the drawing, and help create expression. It's easy to overdo it on a simple drawing like this. Yeah, give us a subscribe. That helps grow the channel too. And click that little dingy bell. Make sure you get your notifications when a new video is uploaded by me. Just a suggestion of tabby stripes. Can't resist adding a bit of a smirk, but I don't really want to take away from the expression that I see in the photo a whole lot. Very easy on the tabby stripes. Oh, forgot about the whiskers. Let's go back and do some whiskers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.